Let's look at this example that asks us to graph an image that's reflected and then translated. So this is a composition of transformations because there are multiple transformations involved. Now in this particular problem, we actually have kind of a practice graph over here where we can draw things and then we'll record our final answer on this second graph. So that makes it kind of nice. So let's go ahead and look here. Graph the image, it's reflected over the x-axis. So recall the x-axis is our horizontal axis right here. So we're going to take this triangle and just flip it up over that axis. Let's go ahead and plot that new triangle. So I'm going to take each point, and this one's 2 away, so it's going to be 2 away from that axis, right? And then same thing over here, we're 2 away, so it'll be 2 from the x-axis, and then our other point is at 4, -6, so it's going to be up here at 4, 6. It's going to be 6 away. And then let's fill that in. Now that looks like a reflection. Each point, remember the x values stay the same, the y values just change signs. So in this case, they all went from negative to positive. So there's our reflection. Now, how's that going to help us to our final image? Well, now it says we're going to shift each of these 1 right and 2 down. So that's actually kind of a combination of translations, 1 right and 2 down. So let's just take each point. So I'm at 2, or I'm at 1, 2. We're going to go 1 right and 2 down. So 1 right and 2 down. So that would be at 2, 0. So I'm going to come over here to my graph and plot those. So up here I'm going to go 1 right and 2 down. That's at 5, 4. So 5, 4. There's my next point. And then my last one, 1 right, 2 down. So that's at 6, 0. And now let's close that figure off. And let's check our work. And it gives us the green check mark, says we are correct. So in this case, here's another method to do a composition. Let's draw that first transformation and then use that to just come up with our other points pretty quickly. Hope that helps. Of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor.